Hi, I'm Colleen, and I'm an outreach educator with Muse Knoxville, and today I'm back with more STEM structures. In STEM structures, you become an engineer building structures. Do you remember what the job of an engineer is? An engineer is someone who uses their skills in math and science to solve a problem. What were some examples of structures? A structure could be a building or a bridge that's made up of parts. I want to thank everybody for sharing with us their structures from last week. They were amazingly tall structures. Before we get started, let's look back on the engineering design process. These are the steps we need to take in order to solve problems as engineers. The first step is learning about your problem. Your problem today is you need to build a structure using only one item as the base. The item could be a cube or a tiny cup. But what is a base? A base is the lowest part of a structure that the structure sits or rests on. Next, you'll have to gather all of your materials together. Remember, you're using cubes and cups, and also popsicle sticks. If you don't have these items at home, that's okay. Just find something similar. Next, you'll get to design your structure. You can draw a picture as well. Then you get to start building. Don't worry if your structure falls over. The last step in the engineering design process is to try again. Would you like to build with me? Let's go. For my structure, I'm going to use one cube. Remember, I need to use one item on the table or the floor as my base. Next, I think I'll add a popsicle stick, and then maybe 2 more cubes. If I want to put something on my structure, I need to make sure I'm putting the same thing on each side so it stays balanced. If not, it'll fall over. Think of it like a seesaw. Next, I'll add another popsicle stick, and then maybe 2 cups. Now remember, my structure doesn't need to be the tallest, it just needs to be able to stand. I'll keep going with a popsicle stick and maybe 2 more cubes and a popsicle stick and then a cup. Ooh, I like this structure a lot, but maybe I want to try using only 1 cup. Let's give it a try. I would start by using 1 cup on my table or the floor. Next, I think I'll add a cube and then a popsicle stick, and then maybe 2 more cubes. I can keep going using the materials I have. Would you like to see some inspiration from other friends? These friends have used 1 cube as their base, and then they kept going using either cups or cubes. Again, it doesn't need to be the tallest, it just needs to stand. These friends have used 1 cup as a base. Ooh, I like how creative they were with their designs. I would love to see your designs as well. Please share your designs and all the structures you've built with Muse Knoxville, and I'll see you next time. Bye!